Hello. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, the board is blur.
Hmm?
Board is blur.
Road is blur. Huh?
Still blur.
Now okay.
No, sir.
In last class, how many problems completed? In CBSE completed, no? In last class. Deepika,
Yes, sir.
in last class, board level problems completed.
Yes, so you give some problems.
Okay. Next, CET problems, K-set problems. Marker not working. Please 1 minute to hold on. Hello. Note down first problem. If tan 25 degree, if tan 25 degree is equal to x, if tan 25 degree is equal to x, if tan 25 degree is equal to x, then tan 155 degree minus tan 115 degree upon 1 plus tan 155 degree into tan 115 degree is equal to option A 1 minus x square upon 2x, option B 1 plus x square upon 2x, option C 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, option D 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square.
So down it's 1 plus tan 155 into tan 150, 115.
Tan 155 degree 155 degree into tan 115 degree.
Okay, okay.
K-set problems, K-set. Board level problems, that's enough. All models you covered. Thirteen or 14 completed board level problems. Deepika, Shala, tell me.
13. 13.
13. Okay. Today I
Yes,
will
sir.
send remaining 20 or 25 problems. I will send homework. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Board level problems.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All exams is over. Deepika.
So Friday it will get over.
Okay. Okay. Tan 155 degree. How to write? Tan 155
So
degree.
is it option A?
Option
A. 1 minus x
Deepika.
square. So 1 minus x square by 2x.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. First option is correct. Only 6 members joining. Remaining students. Total how many members? Deepika?
So I guess 10.
10, huh?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
6 members present.
So can you do this sum?
This one,
Yes, sir.
tan 155 degree. Tan 155 degree is equal to 180 minus 25, correct? Tan 155 degree. Tan 180 minus 25. 155 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 25 degree. 115 degree is equal to 90 degree plus 25, right?
Yes, sir.
Ashish. Now write tan 155 degree, sorry, direct write 180 degree minus 25 degree minus tan 90 degree plus 25 degree upon 1 plus tan 180 degree minus 25 degree tan 90 degree plus 25 degree. Okay. After that, tan 180 minus theta. Tan 180 minus theta. Tan 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is second quadrant. Ashish, correct?
Yes, sir.
Tan 180 minus theta. tan 180 minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus tan 25 degree plus minus minus tan 90 plus theta. Tan 90 plus theta. Tan 90 plus theta. Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Tan
Second
90
quadrant.
plus theta.
Third quadrant.
Tan third quadrant, tan 90 plus theta.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant only. Tan 90 plus theta minus
Minus tan theta.
minus tan theta or cot theta.
Cot theta.
Plus cot 25 degree upon 1 plus tan minus tan 25 degree minus cot 25 degree. Understood? Now here denominator minus into minus plus tan 25 degree cot 25 degree. Cot 25 degree reciprocal, right? 1 upon tan 25
Tan
degree.
25.
Get cancel. Denominator is denominator 1 plus 1 2,
Yes, sir.
correct? And numerator tan 25 degree plus cot 25 degree.
Yes, sir.
Cot 25 degree can be written as 1 upon cot tan 25 degree. Now take LCM and cross multiply. Then already is given tan 25 degree is equal to x. Substituting, then we will get final answer is first option is correct.
Okay, sir. 2 minutes writing.
Okay. Then remaining students, Aditya completed. Aditya
Sir, I'm writing.
writing. Okay, Srinidhi.
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay. Next, Tanya Singh.
Yes, sir, doing.
Okay, Trishala.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. See, understood problem solution. How to solve this problem? 155 degree is given. 155 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 25. 115 degree is equal to 90 plus 25.
Done, sir.
Then all of you done.
No,
Yes,
sir. Just
sir.
a minute.
Okay. Next, second problem. If if tan A minus tan B is equal to x and cot B minus cot A is equal to y, then cot A minus B, then cot A minus B is equal to, now option A, 1 upon y minus 1 upon x, option B, 1 upon x minus 1 upon y, option C, 1 upon x plus 1 upon y, option D, x plus y. Which option is correct?
So in cot A minus B formula, is it cot A cot B plus 1 or cot A cot B minus 1?
Cot A?
In cot of A minus B formula, is it cot A cot B plus 1 or cot A cot B minus 1?
Minus 1.
Okay, sir. So 2 minutes, I almost got it.
Cot A minus B. Cot A minus B formula, cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A.
So just a minute, almost got it.
Okay, okay. Which option is correct? Deepika, Srinidhi.
Sir, I'm doing 1 minute.
Sir, I think I got it. I just need 1 minute.
Trishala.
Sir, 1 minute. I think I'm getting it.
Ah.
Sir, is it 1 by x plus 1 by y? Option C.
1 by
X plus 1 by y.
1 by x plus 1 by
One.
y. Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely correct. 1 by x plus 1 by y.
So it is 1 by x plus 1 by y.
1 by
Option
x
C.
plus 1 by y.
Sir,
Yes, Tanya.
sir, can you explain us?
This one, huh? Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will explain. See, tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B is equal to x. Tan A minus tan B is equal to x. Cot B minus cot A is equal to y. Correct? Now, 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon tan A minus tan B, right? 1 upon
Yes, sir.
x is equal to tan A minus tan B. Now, tan A 1 upon cot A. Tan B 1 upon cot B, right? That implies 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon cot A minus 1 upon cot B is equal to, now take LCM. Cot A, cot B, numerator, cot A, cot B upon denominator cot B minus cot A. Cot B minus cot A. Same thing, cot B minus cot A is equal to y. 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon cot b minus cot a. Now reciprocal, right? Then 1 upon x plus 1 upon y, adding these two. One upon x plus 1 upon y. Cot a cot b upon cot b minus cot a plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a. Now take LCM cot b minus cot a, then numerator cot a plus cot b plus 1. Now cot a minus b form, cot a minus b formula, cot a cot b plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a. Correct, Tanya Singh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Cot a minus b. Cot a minus b is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. See, all of you done?
No, sir.
Aditya?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Next. Next, third one. Tan 70 degree is equal to option A, tan 20 degree minus 2 tan 50 degree. Option B, tan 50 degree minus 2 tan 20 degree. Option C, tan 50 degree minus plus 2 tan 20 degree. Option D, tan 20 degree plus 2 tan 50 degree. Third question, tan 70 degree is equal to Which option is correct? Srinidhi?
Sir, 1 minute. I am doing.
Deepika?
So can you give me 1 minute?
Hmm. Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Speak loudly, Aditya.
Sir, can you hear
Are you
me,
hear
sir?
me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay, okay.
Sir,
Ah,
is it tan 20 degree plus 2 tan 50 degree?
yes, correct. Yes, correct, Srinidhi.
Okay, sir.
So tan 20 plus 2 tan 50, right?
Ah, yes, yes. Yes, Deepika. Fourth option is correct.
Sir, option D.
Option? Trishala?
Sir, option D.
Ah, yes, correct. Option D is correct. Remaining. Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Option D is correct.
Yes, sir.
Next. Tanya Singh.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If cos theta plus 2 alpha is equal to m cos theta, then value of tan theta plus alpha upon cot alpha is equal to option A 1 plus m upon 1 minus m, option B m minus 1 upon m plus 1, option C 1 minus m upon 1 plus m, option D m plus 1 upon m minus 1. If cos theta plus 2 alpha is equal to m cos theta, then value of tan theta plus alpha upon cot alpha. Okay, this is transformations formula, no? Don't write. This is transformations problem. Don't write. Cancel. this problem transformations. Okay, next. If sine of x plus 3 alpha is equal to 3 sine alpha minus x, then option A, tan x is equal to tan alpha. Option B, tan x is equal to tan square alpha. Option C, tan x is equal to tan cube alpha. Tan x is equal to option D, tan x is equal to 3 tan alpha. 3 tan alpha. Okay, before problem transformations problem. Transformations after that. After that multiple and submultiple angles. After that transformations. All of you know transformation formulas. Deepika,
Sir, can you give an example?
transformations. Okay, no problem. Leave it.
So is it option D?
Option
D.
D. Option
Yes,
D.
sir.
Ashish,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
option D is not correct. So all of you done?
No, sir.
Which option is correct? Deepika?
So I'm not getting.
Not getting.
No.
Okay. Srinidhi? Srinidhi?
Sorry, sir, I didn't. So I came till one point, but then I'm not able to proceed after that.
Hmm.
I am.
Sin A plus B. Sin
Yes, I
A minus B.
expanded. I
Okay.
expanded and did everything,
Now
but then
three multiply.
yes,
After
I
that,
did
3
that.
multiply. Then separating x terms and alpha terms.
Yes, sir, did that.
Then the problem is over. See, sin, I will explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sin x plus 3 alpha is equal to 3 sin alpha minus x. Now, sin x cos 3 alpha plus cos x sin 3 alpha is equal to 3 into sin alpha cos x minus cos alpha sin x. Now here 3 multiply 3 sin alpha 3 cos x 3 sin alpha cos x minus 3 cos alpha sin x. Now sin x cos 3 alpha cos x
Sir,
okay.
I bought the LHS.
See, this one is sent this side. Minus 3 cos alpha sin x. Sin x cos 3 alpha plus 3 cos alpha sin x. Correct? Now here sin x get common, remaining cos 3 alpha plus 3 cos alpha is equal to now 3 sin alpha cos x minus cos x sin 3 alpha sin 3 alpha. Now get common. Sin x is equal to sin x into cos 3 alpha plus 3 cos alpha. Correct? Is equal to here cos x common. Cos x into 3 cos 3 sin alpha minus sin 3 alpha. Sin 3 alpha. Right side cos x common, left side sin x common. Now sin x by cos x, right? Sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is equal to sin x by cos x is equal to 3 sin alpha minus sin 3 alpha upon cos 3 alpha plus 3 cos alpha. Correct? Sin x upon cos x is equal to 3 sin alpha minus sin 3 alpha upon cos 3 alpha plus 3 cos alpha is equal to 3 sin alpha. 3 sin alpha is equal to sin 3 alpha, sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta formula, sin 3 theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Note down all of you. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Please note down. Sin 3 theta is equal to
Formulas.
sin 3, yes, formulas, multiple and submultiple angles. Sin 3 theta cos 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now here substituting sin 3 alpha and cos 3 alpha. Sin 3 alpha is equal to sin 3 alpha minus sin 3 alpha 3 sin alpha plus 4 sin cube alpha upon 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha plus 3 cos alpha. Now denominator 3 cos alpha get cancelled, and numerator 3 sin alpha minus 3 sin alpha get cancelled, and remaining, right, 4 sin cube alpha upon 4 cos cube alpha, 4 get cancelled, is equal to tan cube alpha. Sin cube alpha upon cos cube alpha is equal to tan cube alpha. Now sin x upon cos x, tan x. Tan x is equal to tan cube alpha. This is the final answer, final equation. Which option is correct? Third option is correct. Correct? All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Deepika, Srinidhi, Ashish,
Yes, sir.
Trishala, Tanya Singh,
Yes, sir.
all of you understood? See, only these two formulas apply. Sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta. Note down. Just note down. After that, I will explain. Proofs also is there. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta.
Sir,
Tanya,
sir, can you explain this part again? This sin
which one?
x by
This
cos.
side? This
Yes,
part?
sir. Yes,
See,
sir. Good.
see, after that, sin x into cos 3 alpha
Yes,
plus
sir.
3 cos alpha is equal to cos x into 3 sin alpha minus sin 3 alpha. Now dividing sin x upon cos x is equal to sin x upon cos x is equal to, this one is in denominator, 3 sin alpha
Yes.
minus sin 3 alpha upon cos 3 alpha plus 3 cos alpha. 3 cos alpha.
Yes, sir.
3 cos 3 alpha plus 3 cos
Plus
alpha.
3 cos alpha.
Now substituting here, sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta formula substitute here. Here cos 3 theta, 3 alpha. 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha, and numerator 3 sin theta, 3 sin alpha minus multiply, minus into minus plus, plus 4 sin cube alpha.
Okay.
Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next problem. If If alpha plus beta is equal to 90 and beta plus gamma is equal to alpha, then tan alpha is equal to tan alpha is equal to then tan alpha is equal to option A, 2 into tan beta plus tan gamma, tan beta plus tan gamma. Option B, tan beta plus tan gamma. Option C, tan beta plus 2 tan gamma. Option D, 2 tan beta plus tan gamma. See, completed. All of you done? Deepika?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
So 1 minute.
2 minutes, please,
Okay.
sir.
Aditya?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Okay, okay. Tanya Singh?
Yes, sir, doing.
Trishala?
2 minutes, sir.
Easy or tough, these problems? Cassette problems easy only, no? Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Easy only, no, these problems?
Little easy, little tough.
Shall I explain?
Yes, sir.
Trishala?
So 1 minute, I think I got the answer.
Sir,
Got it?
I'm not able
Which
to
option is
proceed.
correct, Trishala?
Sir, actually, I'm not able to proceed after one.
Okay.
Like, I came somewhere, but
See, alpha plus beta is equal to 90 is given. Now alpha is equal to beta, send the side. See, find tan alpha, right? Trishala? Tan
yes,
alpha.
sir.
Yes, correct. Now alpha is equal to 90 minus beta, right? Simple. Both sides tan alpha. Tan apply both sides. Tan alpha is equal to tan of.
Sir,
Yes.
is the answer option C?
Option
C.
Srinidhi, absolutely correct. Option C is the correct option. Okay.
Okay.
Tan alpha is equal to tan 90 minus beta. Now tan alpha is equal to tan 90 minus beta. Tan 90 minus theta. Trishala, tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Trishala.
So beta, right? Tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus beta.
Just I am asking tan 90 minus theta.
Cot theta.
Cot theta. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tan 90 minus beta is equal to cot beta. Correct. Tan alpha is equal to cot beta. Cot beta can be written as reciprocal, right?
1 by tan beta.
1 by tan beta. Now cross multiply tan alpha tan beta is equal to 1. Now tan alpha minus beta, find tan alpha minus beta, tan alpha minus beta, tan alpha minus beta, tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Tan alpha tan beta, you know, is equal to 1. Tan alpha tan beta. Now here tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta 1 only. Tan alpha tan beta minus tan alpha minus tan beta upon 2. 2 cross multiply 2 tan alpha minus beta. Tan alpha minus beta, alpha minus beta is equal to beta plus gamma is equal to alpha. That implies alpha minus beta is equal to gamma. Correct? Now tan gamma is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta upon 2. Now cross multiply. Tan alpha separate, right? Tan alpha is equal to 2 tan gamma plus tan beta. Tan alpha is equal to 2 tan gamma plus tan beta. This is the final equation. 2 tan gamma plus tan beta. Understood, Trishala?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. All of you done? Tanya Singh?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. If sin A plus sin B is equal to sin A plus sin B is equal to A, and sin B plus cos A is equal to B. Okay, sin A cos B. Sin A cos B is equal to A, and sin B cos A is equal to B. Then sin A plus B, sin A plus B is equal to option A square plus B square upon 2. Option B, A square minus B square plus 2 upon 2. Option C, A square plus B square minus 2 upon 2. Option D, A square minus B square minus 2 upon 2. If sin A plus cos B is equal to A and sin B plus cos A is equal to B, then sin A plus B is equal to.
So can you read the fourth option?
Fourth option, A square minus B square minus 2 is upon 2. A square minus B square minus 2 upon 2. A square minus B square minus 2 upon 2. Which option is correct?
So C.
Huh?
C.
B.
C.
C.
Yes, sir.
Deepika, C.
Yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely correct. All of you done?
No, sir, I'm stuck.
Huh? What Srinidhi?
Sir, I'm stuck in a step.
Stuck.
Yes, sir.
Where is stuck?
Sir, I found sine A plus B
Oh.
plus sine A cos A plus
Hmm.
sine B cos B is equal to AB.
Hmm.
And I don't know
See,
how to proceed.
sin A plus cos B is equal to A. Sin B plus cos A is equal to B. Then
Yes, sir.
this is equation 1, this is equation 2. equation 1 and 2 squaring on both sides, correct?
Okay.
Squaring
I
and
didn't
adding.
actually. Okay.
Squaring and adding.
Okay. I
Sin
didn't do
A,
this.
sin A plus cos B whole square plus sin B plus cos A whole square is equal to A square plus B square. Correct, Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
Equation 1 and equation 2 squaring and adding.
Okay, sir.
Now sin A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. Open.
Okay.
Sin square A plus cos square B plus 2 sin A cos B plus sin square B plus cos square A plus 2 sin B cos A is equal to A square plus B square.
Okay.
Now
Got it, sir.
sin square identity, sin
Sin square A
plus
plus cos square B
A
plus 2 sin A
equal to
cos
1.
B. Yes, sir.
Identity apply. Then we will get answer. Easy. Simple
Okay.
problem. And Tanya Singh. Tanya Singh,
Yes, sir.
done? This problem done?
Sir, doing.
Doing. Okay. Next, Trishala.
Sir, doing.
Doing. Okay. Aditya. See, in KSET problem, 60 problems is given, 60 minutes. Each problem, 1 minute. But you will take 6 minutes, 7 minutes. You have to practice. More problems you have to practice, no? Then 1 minute you can solve. Deepika got this problem and Srinidhi, okay. Next, Ashish. Ashish,
Yes, sir.
completed, done this problem?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, Tanya Singh,
Yes, sir. Now done.
not complete,
Done, sir.
done, okay. Trishala, done?
Yes, sir. Done. Option C.
Yes, correct. Option C is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Next important problem. Next problem, important, 7th one. Important model. If in a triangle PQR, in a triangle PQR, angle R is equal to 90. If tan P by 2 and tan Q by 2, tan P by 2 and tan Q by 2 are the roots of the equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. All of you know sum of roots and product of the roots. A not equal to 0. All of you know. Then option A plus B is equal to C. Option B plus C is equal to A. Option C A plus C is equal to B. Option D B is equal to C. B is equal to C. Very, very important problem in not KCET mains problem. In a triangle PQR, angle R is equal to 90. If tan P by 2 and tan Q by 2 are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then in triangle PQR, P plus Q plus R is equal to 180, right? P
Yes, sir.
plus Q plus R is equal to 180. Then P plus Q plus 90 is equal to 180. And P plus Q is equal to 90. This is the condition is given. Then sum of roots minus B by A, product of roots C by A is given tan P by 2 and tan Q by 2. Tan P by 2 plus tan Q by 2 is equal to minus B by A. Tan P by 2 into tan Q by 2 is equal to C by A. Then find tan P by 2 plus
Is the
Q by 2.
answer,
Srinidhi,
sir, is the answer option A?
option
A.
option A.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely correct, Srinidhi.
Sir, can you solve it?
Ashish,
Yes, sir.
see sum of roots. See, quadratic equation is given ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Sum of roots minus b by a. Product of roots c by a. Already roots is given. Roots is tan p by 2 and tan q by 2. Tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 is equal to minus b by a. Tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 product of the roots is equal to c by a. Now,
Okay,
tan
sir.
p by 2 plus q by 2 find.
Okay, sir.
Understood, Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Tan of p by 2 plus q by 2 find. Tan a plus b form. Tan p plus q upon 2 is equal to p plus q already 90. 90 upon 2 45. Tan 45 degrees is equal to tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2 upon 1 minus tan p by 2 into tan q by 2. Then substituting minus b by a upon 1 minus c by a. Trishala, understood Trishala?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Tanya Singh. Shall I explain? Tanya Singh?
Sir, doing.
Okay. Okay, Deepika? Deepika, understood Deepika?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Done, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very, very important, very easy problem, mains problem. Same type of model, one problem I will give homework. Homework already 5:27, right? Okay. I will give one problem, homework. Please note down. Same type of model. Eighth question. If tan alpha, tan beta, tan alpha, tan beta are the roots, are the roots of the equation, roots of the equation, roots of the equation, x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, p not equal to 0, then sine square alpha plus beta plus p sine alpha plus beta cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha plus beta plus q cos square into alpha plus beta is equal to option A.
So can you read the equation once?
X square plus px plus q, px plus q, option A 0, option B 1, option C p, option D q. Okay, this is homework problem. Already time is over now. Note down. If tan alpha comma tan beta are the roots of the equation, x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, p not equal to 0, then sine square alpha plus beta plus p sine alpha plus beta into cos alpha plus beta plus q into cos square alpha plus beta is equal to. Okay, understood? Problem
Yes, sir.
is homework. Next class I will see.
Thank you,
Is
sir.
over. Time is over. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you,
today
sir.
I will send board problems. Okay,
Yes,
board
sir.
problems I will send assignment. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.